start analyzing your palm from the length of the finger and the shape of the palm. This finger in the palm history of Jupiter finger as it is above the Jupiter mount. This finger is the Saturn finger as it is above the Saturn mount. Sun finger above the Sun mount. Mercury finger above the Mercury mount. If you will see the length of the index finger, that is a Jupiter finger, and the ring finger, the index finger length seems to be more longer than the ring finger. It means that the person are blessed with charming personality. They are quiet, the risk taker, are seemingly good at solving problem too. Ambition, religion, honor, dignity. A ring finger or the Apollo finger stands for the art and music, leisure and pleasure, creativity and affection. The Saturn finger gives a clue on the individual responsibility, discipline in life. Having too much longer Saturn finger also signifies that the person may suffer health issue. But your Saturn finger is good in length. So if we move towards the Mercury finger, that is your little finger, your little finger does not reach the first phalanx of your ring finger. It means that the person forget to manage document, usually have a less control over the money, and the person also feels shy and do not want to share anything or talk confidently with other. And in the field of business, this type of person also face some communication qualities problem. Now if we see, your mount seem to be low set, as this line is straight. Instead of going straight, it bends downward. It means that person is having a charming personality, that's the point. But having a low set Mercury mount always indicates about the person communication qualities. Person is usually slow or weak at communication qualities. That is required in the field of business too. And if this finger is longer than the first phalanx, then it means the person is good speaker. But you are having not too much short, so no need to worry about. Now if we move towards your Jupiter mount, your Jupiter mount is good in area, so it means that you will get the good married life in your life, and also development of this Jupiter mount also signifies that the person is having a good leadership qualities. Also the person will get honor, dignity and pride from the society. Also person is ambitious in nature. Now if we move towards your Saturn mount, you will see a light color, light faint line is offshooting. It means that till reaching your old age you will never face a money related issue, means you are having a good fortune and comfort in your life. So that's a very auspicious of presence of one single line, vertical line on the Saturn mount. If we see this area, that is the loop of seriousness, it shows that the person seriousness nature, and person feel lazy while waking up early in the morning. If you will see this line, it means that the person is very good at managing his money in future and has a better knowledge than an ordinary person to manage his money. there is not a complete sunlight, it means that the person have a less chance of getting a government job, because presence of one single line indicates that the person will get a government job. So your scope will be in the private field, but no need to give up. If you are interested in government job, you can give your best effort. If we move towards your marriage line, this seems to be that you will marry exactly after the 25 age. You will never marry before 25. After 25 you will get married, and this age will be between 25 to 30. Now if we move towards the heart line, that is love line or emotional line, you will see it is good in length, and from here it takes a curve upward like this and forms a fork like formation. This fork like formation indicates that the person married life will be very good and stable too. There will be good understanding in the married life with your partner, and from this line it forms a V like formation. It means that the person will be very rich in his life. He will have a good comfort, good fortune in life, because this sign is also known as Vishnu sign, that is V like formation. If you will see this cross, that is the cross of mystic. It means that the person is interested in palmistry, astrology too. And this cross also signifies that the now if we move towards your mind line, this is your mind line, also known as wisdom line, that reveals about the mental and the psychological power of a person, and this area is of lifeline. You will see there is the gap between the lifeline and the mind line. It means that the person take independent decision instead of listening to the other people's. So having independent nature, person always take her own decision in life. And there is some offshoot line. It means it signifies that there will be a progress, success in your life as you will work hard, because without giving any effort no one in this world get anything of. Instead of having this auspicious sign, your mind line is also positive. Presence of this triangle formation also increase your mental ability, and this branch fork like formation also signifies that the person will be romantic in nature toward his life partner. If we see your fate line, that is also known as luck line, it starts from the area of moon and it goes straight to the under the mount of Saturn. It means that excellent type of fate line you are having, means till your old age you will have a comfort, fortune, good success, continuous success you will get in your life without any facing any obstacle. But little bit obstacle you may face because of these Rahu lines. These are for a short period of time, so no need to worry about. You are having a excellent fate line, so means you are having a good luck in your life. These are the Rahu lines. This creates obstacle in the person's life. Also the person face many struggle and hardship. Presence of this triangle also shows that till reaching the age of 36 you will build your own house, property, that is either from your partner side or from by yourself. and this triangle also signifies that the person richness. Having this money triangle, that is a brilliant money triangle, it signifies that the person having a charming personality, but this triangle is closed from all the sides. It means that you will have a good control over money and you will be very rich and wealthy in your life. Means that if you are having 1,000 rupees in your pocket, you know that you have to save the money. Means you can give 500 and 500 will left for you. This type of triangle formation is very auspicious in the palmistry, and this triangle formation is rare too because it is not commonly found on every hand, only found on the wealthy person's hand. Now we will see your lifeline. Now you can see lifeline is moving straight and curving to your Venus mount. This area is of Venus mount surrounded by the thumb, and the lifeline indicates what the physical appearance of the person, but we will discuss it on another pic. At the last of the lifeline you will see a fish-like formation. It means that the person in the life may get a chance to get a sudden gain of wealth. Means person will be wealthy in his life and also get a chance to get a sudden wealth, that is money. So that is very auspicious because having a fish-like formation is also seen on the hands of rich persons. Your lifeline is stable, having these small lines cutting the lifeline or the Rahu line show the state of hardship and the struggle in the life, but these are very faint in color, so their impact is also for a short period of time. Overall your palm is positive. This area is of Venus mount, means Shukar Parvat, and this mount must be developed pinkish form in touching and must be higher than other palms present in the palm. This mount also represents about the physical appearance, sensuality, romance, love, and also indicates the financial problems that are faced by the peoples. But your Venus mount is developed, means that is positive, and forming of these lines shows that the person will get good comfort in life and also many opportunities, so you have to grab the opportunities and to move ahead. Your second phalanx is developed. It means that the person is analytic in nature. Having a jab-like formation on the thumb indicates good accumulation of wealth in one's life. Person will be very rich in his life or her life. This sign is very auspicious in the palmistry and rare too. If we look carefully, there are some horizontal lines, small horizontal lines. This line indicates about the person travel in life. Person will travel a lot, also away from his birthplace, means also a foreign lines. These lines are the foreign lines. So having this line, it means that in your life you will travel to foreign country. Now your overall palm is analyzed. You will definitely have a good married life because of presence of some signs. This also, if on this line you have to look carefully, if it is bending toward, but not too much, little bit bending of line like this. It means that there will be a very good married life and good understanding with your life partner. Turning up of this line, it shows that married line will be not stable. And forming a fork like formation, there will be also a misunderstanding in the married life. And like this, some lines which are coming up and down, small line, this also indicates misunderstanding, misbehaving in the married life. But you are not having this, so your married life will be very positive, and you are having a good sign which shows that you will be a wealthy person. You are having a good money in your life, you are having a good business line too, but due to unsatisfaction, if you will do business, then you will resign that business. So your overall palm is positive. If you want to ask more questions, you can ask me. Here you can see triangle formation like this. It also shows that the person interest in the mystic world, including the occult science, means astrology, palmistry, horoscope reading, or the creative world. So this triangle is also auspicious. Presence of this line, the person also get a good property in one's life. Your phalanx are longer. This type of persons are analytic in nature, having a good energy in their life. Presence of some vertical lines shows that the person is friendly in nature. This vertical line signifies that. So that's all. Now if we look on this palm, on the fingers there are some vertical lines. This vertical line signifies the friendly nature, including the person logical nature. Person is creative too and having a good relationship with their partner. Now if we look towards the Jupiter mount, the presence of cross like formation, it indicates that the person having a chance to get a love marriage, because cross formation also signifies that the married life will be very happy, there will be good understanding, and this cross formation also signifies the love marriage. If we will see, your line is also straight, it means that there will be not any misunderstanding, misleading in your married life. So your married life is also okay, having a good more chance of love marriage. If we will look your sun mount, also some line is going downward forming a triangle, signifies that the person interest in the love marriage and also their love marriage is successful too. Presence of this one single line also shows that the person will get good name and fame from this society, plus also having a chance to get a government job. If you look mind line, some offshoot line is pointing to the Jupiter mount. It means that his palm, they in life there will be a continuous progress and success in the life, but you have to give your efforts. And this line goes straight, it means that the progress and the success will be very good. Your mind line is too much long and strong, it means that the person memory is also good. And mind line, also known as headline, long mind line also reveals about the psychological power of a person, means his mental ability. Forming of this triangle on the headline increase the mental power of a person, and this also add the qualities that the person will good at taking a decision in his life. Because having this too much gap, the person will take a independent decision in life instead of listening to the other persons. And also, to having this much gap, the person also moves ahead or settle ahead from the birthplace or the motherland. If we look your lifeline is too long straight without any defects. It means that your life will be very stable without any obstacles. Some these lines shows this state of hardship struggle. Everyone in the person have to face hardship and effort, so no need to worry about your life will be very smooth. At last I am getting a fork like formation. It also shows that in future the person may settle away from the his motherland or birthplace. If we look towards your fate line, that is your luck line, your luck line is going straight under the mount of Saturn. It also signifies that your whole life you will get a support from the fate, that is having a good luck until reaching the old age. You will have a good fortune, comfort, and never face the money related issue in your life. There will be a smooth and a good sport of your fate in your life. Also, after the age of 30, you will also get a sport, that is a sportive line either from your life partner or your family. This act as a sportive fate line. This will also increase your income in your life. Having this small triangle, also known as money triangle, it tells about the person having a good leadership qualities, also the person having a charming personality, including having a good wealthy in his life. He will be rich in his life, because forming of triangle must always be closed from all the sides, then the person having a good control of money. These lines on the area of moon signifies that you will travel in your life, and the travel may be in foreign countries. Having a shorter horizontal line indicates that you will have a short trip to the foreign. Having this line shows that you are having a good property in your life. If you will find there are some vertical lines, this shows the healing qualities of the person, or these vertical lines also signifies that the person will soft in talking and also have a good communication qualities. So that is good. This loop is the loop of humor, that the person is having a good source of humor, and this loop is the loop of seriousness, that the person is serious to. Having this both loop, the person is serious to and having a good source of humor. Having too much overdeveloped this area, then the person feel lazy while waking up early in the morning. If we will see your heart line, that is love line, it goes straight and takes a curve and forms a trident formation. Trident formation on the heart line is considered to be very excellent, as it makes the person physically, emotionally, mentally stable. Also, this fork like formation indicates that the person having a chance of love marriage in his life. And curving of this heart line also shows that the person is having a emotional nature. And also a V like formation, that is a Vishnu sign. It means that you will be very rich in your life and having a good money. Having a gap between your fingers, this shows that you will use money for yourself or for your partner. Means you doesn't want to we keep money store. Means you will fulfill your wishes and enjoy your life by using money instead of storing it. This line, horizontal lines on the Venus mount, it signifies that you will have a luxury life in your future. And having this line also signifies that you will get many opportunities in the life, and also you are financially stable. If we see your thumb phalanx is good, it means that you are logical in nature. If you look your thumb, if you are having a yub like formation, then it means that it's a good accumulation of wealth in your life. Forming of this triangle, it means that you will definitely have your own house, own property. This also signifies that you will build your own house. Instead of having one, two, you will have a many property in your life. So that's all.